In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to delete QuickBooks Online account. So let's get started. So here we are in QuickBooks, and from here, first thing that I recommend you to do is to go here into the settings on the top right, because we would need to cancel our billing and subscription. So let's go here under Profile, Subscriptions, and Billing. Now in here is that you should now be able to see the plan that you are on and some add-ons. So basically you just want to cancel your subscription right here. You should have the cancel button. In my case, I'm on a free trial, so I can click here on cancel my free trial. And then once that's done, we can now proceed into deleting our QuickBooks Online data. So how we can do that is that we basically need to just go here into the URL. And we're just going to go and modify the last part, to be purge company. So the URL is like that. Make sure that you copy it and then hit enter. And now, once you are here in the web page, you will now be able to see that the following data will be deleted. So you'll be able to see all the transactions, the customers, and the accounts that you have. And you want to make sure that you understand all of this. Once you start wiping this company, there is no undo. When the wipe is completed, you'll be able to start over with new accounts. And then you have 90 days to wipe a company once it's created. And I still have 90 days left. So now, once you are really sure that you want to proceed, you want to navigate here at the bottom right and type in yes, capital yes, and then click on OK so that you'd be able to proceed into wiping out your data here in QuickBooks. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.